What the heck is going on, guys? This is T-Man, and I'm going to be doing a review of my UTG Shadow Ops L96. Now, it came with this bipod and the gun. I already had that scope. And man, it has multiple butt pads, so you can adjust the length of the butt pad. Has an adjustable cheek rest, and it is spring powered. I now have it on safety, and it has this weird trigger. It just has a 4 trigger and very long barrel. I do not have any upgrades on it, and it shoots around 469, 470 with .28, and on this. Oh, and it also came with a sling. It's a crappy sling. It has already broke on me. You can see there. Try to push it in. Just touch it barely and it comes back out. So, it's not the greatest sling in the world. And, yeah, so the bipod has a rail, little 5-slot rail on each side, and if you do not want to have a bipod on it, you pretty much just unscrew the bipod from it. I'm doing this with one hand, so gotta lift those. Okay. Unscrewing the wrong one. Just bear with me right now. There we go. It just screws on there with this little thing. And you can attach anything on this bottom rail. It's a 4 or a 3-slit rail. Actually, these are 4. Never mind. And yeah, it comes with 2 magazines. I do not have either of them on me right now. Actually, I am wearing my vest right now. I thought I'd need something in it, and I have both my mags in my vest. And yeah, those are the mags, and they just go right in there. I don't know if you can see it. Right in there. And they just pop in just like this. Push them in. And there's this little lever right here, or spring powered thing. You just push that in and it pops right out. So it makes for easy reloading. And you just load the mag by just pushing this down. It's spring powered. Just speed loading it in there, or hand loading if you don't have a speed loader. And so yeah, that pretty much covers the gun. It's got a L96 bolt, and nothing on this side. Oh, and it also has little sling attachments right there, and right here, if you can see it, right here, and same with the other side, right there. So yeah, that pretty much covers the gun. Well, that's it for this video. And I will see you guys later. Bye.